Today, I'll walk you through how to make a table fast in OneNote Desktop, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a table so you can organize your notes efficiently. First, let's open your OneNote application. If you don't have it open yet, go ahead and launch it now. This is your canvas for creating and organizing your notes. Next, navigate to the page where you want to add your table. Think of this as choosing the right spot to plant a tree in your garden. You want to make sure it's in the right place for it to grow. Now look for the Insert tab in the toolbar at the top of your screen. This is where all the fun begins, as it contains various options to enhance your notes. Once you're in the Insert tab, click on the Table option. This will open a grid where you can quickly select how many rows and columns you want for your table. Decide how many rows and columns you need by highlighting the boxes in the grid. This is similar to sketching out a blueprint before you start building. If the boxes to highlight are not sufficient for your needs, don't worry. Click on Insert Table again, and you can manually type in the exact number of rows and columns you require. This gives you complete control over your table's dimensions. Once the table is added to your page, you can click and drag each line to adjust it based on your needs. Think of this as rearranging furniture in a room to create the perfect layout. And there you have it, you've successfully created a table in OneNote Desktop. Remember, it's totally normal if this takes a moment. Just take your time and enjoy the process. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.